Imagine a world where robots stand up faster than humans, predict the future, and even fly. What if I told you China's built a RoboBrain that's shockingly close to our own, and Tesla is embroiled in a robot scandal? Humanoid robots just got too smart, and today we're diving deep into the mind-blowing breakthroughs reshaping our future. Robotics and AI are evolving at lightning speed, transforming how we live, work, and explore. But the latest developments, flying humanoids, future-predicting AI, and groundbreaking RoboBrains, are pushing technology to an entirely new level. Are we ready for what's next? Let's kick off with something straight out of a sci-fi action scene. Researchers in Italy have created the world's first jet-powered humanoid Ironcub 3, achieving controlled flight this week. Using 4 mini-jet engines generating over 1,000 newtons of thrust, enough to lift about 100 kg, this robot hovered steadily half a meter above ground. Its titanium spine and heat-resistant armor, handling exhaust at 800 degc, make it a high-tech marvel. While currently tethered for safety, scientists are already planning bigger outdoor tests. Just picture Iron Man-style rescues in disaster zones. That future is closer than ever. But here's the crazy part. What if robots could predict their own actions before they happen? Norwegian startup 1X Technologies unveiled a groundbreaking AI simulation called the 1X World Model. Unlike passive simulations, this lets robots visualize outcomes of their actions beforehand. If a robot tries to grab a mug or wipe a counter, the simulation accurately predicts outcomes with about 70% precision. This means robots can rapidly train by simulating thousands of scenarios, cutting weeks of real-world testing down to mere minutes. With OpenAI backing them, this tech is about to turbocharge the speed at which humanoids learn tasks. Speaking of rapid moves, wait till you see how fast this next robot moves from flat to upright. Shenzhen's Lumos Robotics dropped jaws worldwide when their LUS2 humanoid stood from completely flat to fully upright in just 1 second. Equipped with advanced actuators and precise sensors, this explosive agility isn't just flashy, it's practical. Picture this robot in extreme rescue missions or even fast-paced sports. Lumos's tech leap is setting new standards for robotic mobility. Humanoids are now officially outpacing human reaction times. If you're enjoying these updates and don't want to miss the next wave of insane AI breakthroughs, hit that subscribe button right now. Your support helps bring these stories to light. Meanwhile, China's Beijing Academy of Artificial Intelligence unveiled RoboBrain 2.0, the most powerful humanoid AI brain yet. This advanced model can handle complex spatial and temporal reasoning, predicting where objects will move, managing long-term tasks, and understanding detailed spatial commands. Remarkably, the 32 billion parameter version outperformed leading global models by over 50% in spatial tasks. Backed by over 20 robotics companies, RoboBrain could soon become the universal AI engine powering next-gen robots across industries. And now for some real-life drama straight from Tesla's labs. Tesla just sued former Optimus engineer Jay Lee for allegedly stealing sensitive robotic hand sensor tech. After leaving Tesla, Lee founded Perception Inc., quickly showcasing robotic hands suspiciously similar to Tesla's designs. With Tesla's AI director now directly overseeing Optimus, Elon Musk sees this tech as critical, potentially worth billions. This lawsuit underscores fierce competition, highlighting the massive stakes as robots get smarter and closer to human abilities. If you had to live with one of these robots in your home, LUS2's agility, RoboBrain's intelligence, or Ironcub 3's flight, which would you choose and why? Drop your answer in the comments below. These staggering advancements are more than just tech milestones. They're glimpses into our future. Jet-powered robots that can fly into disaster zones, robots that visualize and predict their actions, ultra-agile humanoids that surpass human reflexes, and AI brains smart enough to reason through tasks as humans do, each breakthrough brings robots closer to becoming integral parts of our everyday lives. But here's the big question. Are humanoid robots becoming too smart for comfort? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more shocking AI updates.